So for this first question here, consider the elements of cost in Omega Industries: the material cost, direct labor cost, and overhead costs in this company. The material cost of the product is $5 more than twice the cost of direct labor, while the overhead is half of the direct labor cost. If the total cost of the product is $250, compute the material cost of this product rounded to the nearest hundred. So to do this, L will be the cost of direct labor. Material costs will be M equals 2L plus 5. Overhead costs will be O equals L divided by 2. And then total cost equation will be M plus L plus O equals 250. So then we just plug everything in. So M is 2L plus 5, based on the equation above, plus L plus overhead costs is L divided by 2 equals 250. And then we want to rearrange this. So rearrange to solve for L. So then we would get 3.5 L plus 5 on the left side equals 250. And then rearrange it. So you would bring the 5 over to the right side. Like that. And then L, 3.5 L equals 245. And then you divide by 3.5 each side, you get L equals 70. And then M is 2L plus 5. So to do that, you put in 70 for L. And you get 145. So M is 145. So material costs, the product is 145. So you do that. And then question 2, you would take the direct labor cost of 70, and then you take the O equation, which is L divided by 2, 70 divided by 2, and you get 35. The overhead is 35 here. So you get that for overhead. And then question 3, a bakery sells 2 types of bread, rye bread and sourdough bread, totaling 80 loaves for the day with a combined revenue of $320. Each rye bread sells for $3 and each sourdough bread sells for $5. How many rye bread loaves were sold? To do this, so X equals number of rye bread loaves. Sourdough bread loaves equals 80 minus X. Cost of rye bread is $3 each. Cost of sourdough bread is $5 each. So total cost equation, it's 3x plus 5, 80 minus x equals 320. You want to rearrange that, so you want to expand it out to 3x plus 400 minus 5x equals 320. Then bring everything to one side, so 3x minus 5x equals 320 minus 400, negative 2x equals negative 80, and then 2x, so it would just be x equals 40. So 40 rye bread loaves were sold. So you do that for that one. And then the next one here, so Y is type Y screws, and then type X screws is 150 minus Y. Cost of type X screws is $6 each. Cost of type Y screws is $4 each. So to do this, 6, so total cost equation would be 6, 150 minus Y plus 4Y equals 870. So simplify, so bring the 6 in, 6 times 150 is 900. 6 times negative Y is negative 6Y plus 4Y equals 870. And then bring all the numbers to one side, all the letters to one side, so it'd be negative 6Y plus 4Y equals 870 minus 900 and then you get negative 2y equals negative 30, then y is 15. So 15 type y screws were sold. So you do that, and then for question 5, so a company manufactures pens and pencils. The total production for 1 week is 120 units, with total revenue amounting to $540. Each pen is sold for $6, and each pencil is sold for $3. How many pencils were produced during the week? So to do this, P is number of pencils. Pens equals 120 minus P. Cost of pens is $6 each. Cost of pencils is $3 each. So total revenue equation, 620 minus P plus 3P equals 540. And then you want to rearrange it. So it's 6 times 120 is 720. 6 times negative P is negative 6P. Plus 3P equals 540. Bring all the numbers to one side. It's negative 6P plus 3P equals 540 minus 720.